So guys, let's see if nagra-run po or nag-function ng maayos yung system. Try to register. And then let's input some infos. Username, email, and then password. Hanggang matapos po natin input lahat, pati yung address and birthday. Yan po. As you can see, nag-function naman po ng maayos. Lagyan natin ng address. And then, after that, yung country, which is Philippines. And then, try po natin lagay yung birthday. So, as you can see po, maayos naman po yung system natin. Nag-function siya ng maayos. And then, pwede din po natin lagay yung time dun sa birthday later. Tingnan nyo po if yung mga buttons po if gumagana. And then, let's try mamaya to register it if pwede po ba. And then, yeah, registration successful, which is gumagana po siya ng maayos. And then, let's try po to log in if talagang maayos po yung pagkagawa natin. Log-in successful and nag-appear po siya sa dashboard, which is goods, and then also sa database po. Ayan. Yung mga in-input natin kanina, lumabas po siya sa database.